BSc or paramedical? It's the question that every 12th student is asking after their results have come. And if you're confused right now, you're not alone and you're at the right place. So let's break it down together. Is BSc better or is paramedical? Let's start with what BSc actually is. You see, BSc degree is mostly theory based. You pick a subject like chemistry, physics, botany or zoology, and you just keep studying it for 3 years. If you want to go into teaching or research after that, you do a MSc, you do a B.Ed, where BSc forms a great foundation. But here's the reality. BSc will not give you a job. Most students will finish BSc and say, now what? Now I can just get a job anywhere, right? No. No hands-on skills, no clear job role, and there is no direct entry into the hospital system. Now, let's talk about paramedical. You see, paramedical is only about skill-based, job-ready training. You learn how to do something. For example, you take X-rays, you handle patients in the emergency wards, you run blood tests in labs, you also assist in surgeries or operate dialysis machine. And the best part, most courses are just 1.5 to 2 years long. You are trained, you are certified, and you are ready to work. That's why so many students prefer paramedical compared to BSc so that they can get a job quickly. Now, are you still confused? Well, here's a very simple test. You should ask yourself, do I want to start earning? If so, paramedical. Do you want to work in healthcare? Paramedical. And do I want practical work, not just books and studying all day long? Then yes, the answer for you, the perfect fit, is the paramedical industry. Here at GD Goenka Healthcare Academy, we can help you get that dream. We offer the best, most premium courses in the paramedical field, and we will help you get yourself into a hospital or clinic and start your journey as a healthcare technician. Most students take paramedical because it's just not a degree, it's a dream. So BSc gives you a foundation, but paramedical, that gives you a future. Choose whatever fits your goals. And if you want help figuring it out, you can call us, you can message us. Below you see our number. Call us or WhatsApp us and we will get back to you. Otherwise, drop a comment, ask a question, and we will help you too. Thank you, and we'll see you soon.